Okay, welcome. What I will do in this video, right? So I'm not trying to teach you, just changing something, I'm recording it, okay? So I'll make some changes to this website, shopforsoul.com, e-commerce store, right? Now, I was not working with it for probably a good amount of time. So just thought I can make some changes. So I just added this thing. It was not here. It was not here. And I changed it here. Okay, so how do I change this page, right? Now let's go there. So stores, sorry, not here, content, right? This is content, blocks. So this is the block. Now here, okay. So I wrote it here, but it was not giving me like this, right? So what it was, I think you can see in the code screen, you will see it like this, right? So it was coming here. So that's what it is, right? Width and align, right? So I need to change it. I think let's see if I am here. So what I do, right click and inspect, right? Right click and inspect, and then because it's not coming here, so I just try to do some experiment here. Yeah, I think I did work with CSS in the past a lot, not as a primary thing, but as part of other projects, right? Okay. So yes, as you can see, changing it here, did it. Okay, so that's what it is. Now I have changed it, text align left, font weight, bold, right? I did there, and then I brought it here. Now 8112223 Canada Inc. There's the company name. So what else I can do, right? What are the services, right? Training, IT, programming, software development, AI, and machine learning, right? Okay, training and e-commerce. Okay, development, web, mobile, BI, analytics, AI. Okay, I think it's not perfect. I think I need to give some break. So let's save it. And then save it here. So do it here. Okay, because it came, but not in a very nice way. Now, one thing is I can use break The primary challenge with break is it will be taking a good amount of real estate at the top of the website, right? So that is the primary challenge. Otherwise, break is okay. What else I could use? Probably, okay, let's say that's a different thing, right? Let me see whether it comes right or not. Okay. So it is again coming in the middle, right? Okay, let's see. So one challenge is whether I want to put it in multiple lines. In that case, the challenge is it takes a lot of space on the top, right? That will be one challenge. Now, if I put side by side, then it's a long text. Let's try it and see how things go. Okay, and if I want to bring everything on the left and one by one, that is also an option. In that case, I need to change the CSS. But for now, let's see. If I want to put instead of break, if you are thinking about using some other table or span or deep inside deep, yeah, for sure I know that, right? I'm just depending on what I want to do, I will do. Okay, if I put it like this, I don't think it looks good. So it really does not look that good, right? So let's put each line and then bring everything the left, right? So break, break, e-commerce. I don't think it is that really that important here, right? So in that case, I don't need this comma here. Okay, so okay. One thing is, I think it might be better to do it here just to okay, it just separate now. Okay, now let's see. Style break. Okay, there are a couple of things that I can do. Let's see. No, reload and then inspect, right? Instead of 100%, I believe I might be able to do it somewhere here. Why it's not taking it? That's a thing. So that's probably one option. Okay, but still within it states center aligned, right? Mhm. Okay, that looks like working. Now, if I put it, let's say 60%, I'm just trying to see text align, right? So, but if I put 100% text align left, it is being perfectly all right here. Now, that was what it was right here. Okay, there was some mistake here. Yeah, I copied it from the changing there and bringing there. So there is some typo or mistake in copy paste. Ideally, I don't want all of the lines to be bold. I just want the first line to be bold, right? Okay, that's good. Now let's change it here. Okay, I don't want everything to be bold, right? So in that case, span is something I use when I just need to put some classes, but I don't have nothing else to use it, nothing else that I can appropriate, or probably there is not much to, nothing else really that I needed. Yeah. So let it save it. Okay. So if I go to the, okay, 8112223 Canada Inc. Okay, I probably can add a little bit more information there. Okay, what is the idea actually here, right? So content, there are some blocks. So you create some block here, right? And then you use widgets. So you set where it will appear, right? That's what it is. Okay, refreshing the cache. Okay. Okay, if you want to. Okay, if you want to list your products. Okay, sure. There will be some verification process, and first couple of products up to 10 can be free listing. After we are assured that you're a genuine seller, and we can allow that. You can just go to this form and submit your product. Okay, bye.